Very yummy smoothies. Yummy blueberry, strawberry, blackberry smoothie. Hi kids, my name is Kenisha from Kenny's Little World. Hi my little pony. Hi unicorn. Why you are feeling sad, my little pony? I am feeling sad because I am hungry. I don't understand what to eat. Oh, that's why you are sad. And how about you, unicorn? Are you hungry? Yes. Also, I am hungry. Let's think what we can make quickly and faster. I know. Smoothies. Good idea. Yes. Okay, let's bring our ingredients for the smoothies. So here are with our ingredients. Here are some fruits we have. Berries. That are banana. That's not a berry, but I use it for sweetness. And then blackberry, blueberry, and strawberry. And here I have Greek yogurt. If you don't have Greek yogurt, you can use plain yogurt. And then here is chia seeds. If you don't have chia seeds, you can skip that part, and it gives us fiber and protein. And then shredded coconut. And then fresh half cup milk.
Okay.
Oh yes. I just forgot honey. I didn't use sugar like the last time because I told that it's very sweet. So I just use honey, healthy. And now let's start with our making. So here is the blender. First we will add the fruits. And then strawberry. Then blackberry. So it's okay if you use one berry. If you have 3 berries, it's okay. Or 2 berry or 1 berry. How much you want to add berries, but. And then what we need to put this.
Yes. Greek yogurt.
Yogurt. Whoa, it's coming the whole thing. Oops, I got my hand.
Take tissue.
I will eat. Sweet. And then what should I add? Milk?
Yes. Milk.
I'm glad it's not spilling like the last time which I did.
Yes.
And then
Chia seed.
chia seed.
2 tablespoons.
Yes, 2 tablespoons chia seeds.
I think it's okay. It's okay.
You know, it just looked like in the dragon fruit there are like small has more seeds.
Yes.
It just looks like
Look
that.
like that. Yes.
Okay, it's okay now.
What you add?
And then next, what should I add?
Coconut.
Okay.
Little bit.
Oh.
Not that much. Add more.
A little bit more.
More, yes. Put some more.
Okay.
It's okay.
And now, honey.
Mm-hmm.
You can use any brand of honey. Any honey, but honey.
Oh, you can use maple syrup
Yes,
instead of
see
honey.
it. Because it just looks like honey.
Yes.
And now we are ready to mix it. First, where is the blender? Not mean the blender, the cup. Can you help me?
Yes. Okay.
And now let's go to the mixing part. Now we are gonna blend it now. It's purple. So here is our smoothie. Now we are gonna put it into a bowl because we are also gonna decorate so it looks nice.
Remove the cap. Please.
Just tell me to stop.
I think it's enough. Watch
And now
it.
we are gonna put the toppings. First, what should I put? Chia seed. Just like sprinkle it. Like sprinkles.
Mm-hmm. Put some more.
Yes. Oops. And now, what should I add?
Wait, I put some more, I think.
My hands are just small,
Yes.
so it cannot come that much.
Okay.
And then I will put berries.
Mm-hmm.
I'll make like a smiley face. Here one eye, and here one eye. Here's the smiley face.
Very
And
nice.
then there's this one. Blackberry. Where should I put? Yes, I will put like a nose. How it looks.
I think put one berries here. So, yeah.
You know, like how we make a small snowman? It just looks like. Then I will put strawberry. Is like the cheek. with triangle cheeks.
Mhm.
And then, yes, this one I just forgot. I'll put it right here like this. It's very slippery.
Oh, very nice.
And then, now here will be a flower. So this is flower. And then, how about coconut?
I think it's good. A banana.
Oh yes, banana. Banana. Put it right here. And right some teeth. Let's put some more. That's enough.
Sprinkle some coconut.
Yes. That's a lot of ingredients.
It's all are healthy.
Here is our smoothie ready. Does it look nice? Yes, it's very nice. I'm waiting to taste it. Yes, me too. I want to try it. Oh, okay. And guys, you can have it at evening snacks and morning breakfast. With oats, you can put in cereal, or like this you can make. Have it. And now we are gonna taste it. Which fruit do you want? I want strawberry. Oh, she wants strawberry. Okay. Okay. And which do you want? Strawberry also. Okay. So take this one. Oh, is it nice? Yes. Oh, now I'm gonna try too. It's very nice. And sweet too, and also sour. Kind of. So now, don't forget to subscribe,